So a friend of mine wanted me to wash her locks. As you can see, her hair is very dry, brittle, and almost lifeless. So I'm going to show you what all the procedures we followed in order to achieve a healthy looking hair. If this is you, please keep on watching to the end to see all that we did. Also click the like button, click the subscribe button if you are new, and keep on watching till the end. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So let's get into this video. A friend of mine came over to my place and she wanted me to take care of her locks. She complained that they are lifeless and she need me to wash them, and she brought all the product necessary. So over here I'm using a hibiscus mixture. You can use hot water, warm water if you don't have this mixture. The reason why we are using this, I want to open up our cuticles. Although these mixtures have their benefits, this is a mixture of fenugreek powder, moringa powder, black tea, and black seed powder. So all of these herbs have their benefits. If you check my channel, I use a lot of herbs in order to achieve a long healthy hair. So all of these mixtures helps in preventing breakage, and also helps to strengthen the hair, moisturize the hair, promote hair growth. So we went in with this moisturizing hair mask. This hair mask helps a lot in moisturizing your hair and strengthening your hair. Also leaves your hair very shiny and healthy. So the most important ingredients in this hair mask is moringa and fenugreek. As we all know, moringa and fenugreek is a very good combination in thickening your hair, strengthening your hair, and repairing hair strands. I will create a separate video using only moringa and fenugreek seed to apply it on my hair as a hair mask. So stand by for that video. So I'm going to moisturize her hair with this hair mask. Also make sure that her scalp is well coated so that the entire hair and scalp will get all the benefit that it needs. Then as I was applying the hair mask, I also sprinkled this ayurvedic mixture that I applied earlier before applying the hair mask. Like I said, the ayurvedic mixture is optional. You can use water, but using this ayurvedic mixture have its own benefit. It really helps your hair to be healthy. It strengthens your hair, it repairs your hair strands, it thickens your hair. So if you can get hold of these ayurvedic mixtures, please do. It helps your hair a lot. After the whole application, I went on to massage her scalp. I massaged the scalp. After massaging the scalp, then we covered it with a nylon, or if you have a shower cap, you can make use of it. Then we also used the steaming cap in order to allow the moisture to penetrate inside very well. So we stayed under this for like 30 minutes, and I rinsed off the deep conditioner. After rinsing off the deep conditioner, we dried up the hair with a hand dryer. So you can use whatever dryer you have if this is what you want to do. So we allowed the hair to dry up a little bit, then we went on with moisturizing the hair and styling it. We didn't dry it up completely so that all the moisture can still penetrate in. So we are done rinsing off the entire hair mask from the hair. We are going to be styling the hair. Not just style it, I also make sure to massage her hair very well, of which you guys are going to see. I'm going to show you all step by step what I did. I started by using the oil to apply this on her scalp and on her hair. So I applied this on her hair to make sure that her entire hair is well coated with the hair growth oil. Then I massage it on her scalp as well. I first of all applied it on the scalp, then massaged it in. So if you have a hair growth oil, it not just serves as a hair growth oil, you can also use this to moisturize your hair if you want. So that's why you can see me putting on her hair. Then I also put it on her scalp to massage it in. It's that massaging that helps to promote hair growth. It opens up the pores in order for the oil to penetrate inside. The massaging itself without oil helps to promote hair growth. In case you guys don't know, it helps to promote hair growth a lot. So when you use a hair growth oil, it doubles up the entire effort you are putting in. So please, if you have not been massaging your scalp, start doing it from today. You can do this every day, like 7 times in a week, which makes it every day. But if you can't remember to do it every day, you can do it like 3 or 4 times in a week. It also activates your scalp in order to promote hair growth. Massaging is very, very important, so please do this. After applying the hair growth oil, I went in with this moisturizing hair growth butter. It serves as a hair growth butter and also as a moisturizing butter as well. So we apply this on our hair strands and on her scalp to promote hair growth. Then applying it on the hair strands will help to moisturize the hair. So please, if you are not using this hair growth butter, you can give it a try by ordering it in the description, in the comment section below, or check us out on Instagram at bo hair or at Brenda Okolocha.
Wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
At this point, she was really enjoying the scalp massage a lot, because the way I was doing it, she was saying, Brenda, is like, you don't want me to go back to my house again. That's her house. I was not like saying I'm only doing what I'm supposed to do, because I think if you watched my last video, the other of my other friend that came over, what she also enjoyed was the scalp massage. So if you have not been doing scalp massage, please do scalp massage. It helps your scalp and your hair a lot. So when I was done with the whole thing, I went on to style the hair. You can see how this hair is. It was not like this before. See how moisturized, how well good looking it is, and oh my god, the difference is definitely clear. So please, if you have watched this video to this moment, click the subscribe button, click the like button. It helps to the YouTube to promote my video to more people. Thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.